let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Stay healthy lang tayo kahit kumakain tayo lagi. Healthy foods lang. Saka lagi lang tayo magdasal kapag may mga struggles sa buhay. May God bless you and your family as well. Ingat lagi, Par. Peace!
Happy birthday sa'yo, tol. Ingat kayo dyan lagi. Di mo naalala yung birthday ko, walang yaka. Di mo ako binate. Ingat kayo dyan, miss you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mon!
Happy birthday, Chi! Love ka namin!
Love you!
Happy birthday, Kuya Mon ko. God bless you always. Stay humble. After all these years na magkaibigan tayo, hindi mo ako pinabayaan. Sana hindi ka magbago. Love you always, Kuya Mon.
Hi Kuya Mon, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mon. I-bless sa kalalo ng Gino. At saka, thank God for another year. Abin niya ng Lord Kera. And may He continue to give you the desires of your heart. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mon. God bless you. Ingat lagi. See you soon.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. So thank you so much sa lahat ng ginawa mo for me. I really appreciate everything you do for me. Thank you for accepting me to be part of the Velas and Salta family. I hope you will have a very happy birthday, a very happy year. I speak blessings sa life mo. I speak anointing sa buhay mo. And I speak na marami ka pang taong matouch at matulungan. Thank you so much for everything. God bless you. Love you, Kuya. Bye.
Hi, Mon. Happy birthday. Wish you good health. More blessings sa'yo at sa family mo. Tsaka, mag-ingat ka lagi. See you soon.
Ready?
Happy birthday, Tita. Salamat po sa pag-alaga sa akin nung bata pa lang ako. At sana po may marami ka pang birthday na rarating at marami pang gas na marireceive. O kaya presents.
Ready? Let's go.
Anyways,
Happy birthday
that's all.
to you.
Ingat ka sa drive mo palagi.
Happy
At,
birthday to you.
at alam mo na
Happy birthday kay Raymond. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Thank you sa mga bigay mo sa akin. Salamat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Raymond. Stay safe. Huwag masyadong magagalitin. At love lang. Okay? Ingat and God bless.
So yun, Brother Raymond De Veles.
Ready?
Happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy
Ayun, alam ko medyo late ng message ko kasi dapat kanina madaling araw pa ito nagawa ni Michelle. Kaso nga lang, nung tinawagan niya ako, na busy man ako. Tapos, nag-text siya sa akin, busy ako. Tapos hanggang nakatulugan ko na hanggang pagkagising ko kaninang umaga, hindi ko siya naalala, hindi ko din naalala na birthday mo. Ngayong, anong oras na ngayon? Ngayong 4:30 lang, paalis ako kasi may pipick upin ako, may bumati na happy birthday doon sa kasama namin. So, na-realize ko, sabi ko, tangina may nakalimutan ako, ay, birthday pala ng kapatid ko. So, yun. Pasensya na, brother.
Ready?
Happy birthday. Then, yung regalo mo, alam mo naman yan. Hindi mo naman na yata kailangan ng regalo kasi alam ko, meron ka na lahat. Actually, hindi naman lahat kasi alam ko kuripot ka. So, happy birthday. So, see you soon. Pag nakita na lang tayo, doon na lang regalo. Bawal i-Gcash, bawal magpalawan. Basta yun, happy birthday. Stay healthy. Kahit alam ko na minsan pinapabaya mo na sarili mo kasi gawa ng medyo masipag ka din. So, yun lang. Then, love yourself, love your daughter and son, and love Michelle and also Tita Belen kasi alam mo naman, ikaw ang lalaki sa kanila, ikaw ang malakas na loob, so ikaw nang bahala sa kanila. And thank you din sa minsan sa pag-grocery kila mama. Maraming salamat doon at kahit papano nabibigyan mo pa din sila na kahit alam ko naman na malaki ng responsibilidad mo sa pamilya mo. Thank you and see you soon. Happy birthday kapatid. So ano lang, iwasan ang pagsigaw pala, iwasan ang pagsigaw, iwasan ang pagiging mainitin ng ulo. Lahi na natin siguro yan, pero kung maiwasan, kung mapipigilan, tsaka ano yun, medyo huwag masyadong kuripot kasi pag kuripot, the blessing is not there. Dapat always give to others if you have. Pero alam ko naman nagbibigay ka, pero syempre alam ko may pamilya ka na, kaya alam ko nagtitipid ka, so understand yon. So once again, happy birthday kapatid, and I love you. Sige, bye, I love you, bye.
Happy birthday, Mon! Kunin mo na yung mga bakal daw, yung mga pick up, okay?
Ready?
Thank you sa pagluto mo ng sakay pa palengke ng mga food. I love you! Happy birthday, Mon!
Sana happy birthday
Ano mo sa mga anak mo, mahalin kayo lahat dyan.
Ready? Let's go.
And many more birthdays to come. Love you.
To
you, Daddy. Happy birthday. Thank you sa liniligo mo kami. Thank you sa binili mo na kami ng trolley. Thank you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Ready? Let's go.
I love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Ligo mo kami.
Happy
Ulit kami na trolley. Thank you, love you.
Happy
Salamat na
birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you. Thank you for taking care of us, for me and for Mommy, buying for our groceries, and helping us when we are sick, and taking us to the doctor if we're sick. And even though you're tired, you make food for us. Even though you don't want to get tired. I love you, Daddy.
Happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go.
Si Didi, gusto.
Happy
Gising mo. Happy birthday, Didi,
Happy birthday
Happy birthday now.
to